Hello everybody, I am Manoj Kumar Pradhan, teacher in Social Studies. On behalf of Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Sangathan, Bhubaneswar, I welcome all to this video series of Social Science. Today we are going to start the video series of Class 10 Geography, Chapter 7. The topic is Lifeline of National Economy. We have already completed the introduction video. This is the second video of this topic. In our introduction video, we have discussed that how efficient means of transport is a necessity for the fastest development of the country. We also discussed major means of transport in India. Roadways, railways and pipelines are three types of land transport. Among these, in this video, we will discuss about roadways and its importance. So let's start the video topic. Lifeline of a national economy. Key points to be discussed. In our first key points, we will discuss or understand about the road transport of India, and we will discuss about growing importance of roadways than railways in India. In our second key points, it is based on the classification of roadways on the basis of capacity. In this session, we will discuss about 6 types of roadways in India. In our third key points is based on classification of the roadways, the basis of type of material used for their construction. Roadways. India has one of the largest road network in the world, about 56 lakh kilometer in 2016-17 data. Remember that it is not the largest road network. It is the one of the largest road network of the world. Roadways have preceded railways in India. It means roadway have constructed or introduced before the railway in India. Roadways are easy to build and maintain over railway. The questions are coming in different types, like why road transport is more important than railway in India? How does road transport score over rail transport in India? Mention the advantages of roadways over railways. And the answer is same. The growing importance of road transport over railway transport is mentioned below. These are the 6 points. Construction cost of roadway is much lower than that of railway line. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography. Roads can negotiate a higher gradient of a slope and such as can traverse mountains such as the Himalaya. Road transport is economically in transportation of a few person and a relatively smaller amount of goods over short distance. It also provides door-to-door service, thus the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other mode of transport. Let's discuss these points one by one. Construction cost of road is much lower than that of the railway lines. It means they are relatively cheap and easy both in construction and maintenance. Our second point, roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography, which means dissected meaning separated and undulating meaning uneven surface. The roads can be constructed on more geographically harder location but very difficult to construct of railways. The isolated areas can be connected to the mainstream easily via roadways. The third point, roads can negotiate a higher gradient of a slope and as such as traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. It means roads can be constructed in a difficult terrain like a mountain slope and the region of the Himalaya mountains. Fourth point, road transport is economically in a transportation of a few person and a relatively smaller amount of goods over short distance. Roads are more useful for short distance both for a passenger and goods by car, buses, auto rickshaws, etc. Fifth point, it also provides door-to-door service, thus the cost of loading and unloading is much lower, which means roads connect field with markets, factories with farms, and provide door-to-door services. Sixth point, road transport act as a feeder to other modes of transport as they provide a link between railway station area and seaports. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other mode of transport. So these are the importance of the roadway over than the railway in India. Now we will discuss about the classification of roadways. In India, roads are classified in 6 classes according to their capacity. And these are golden quadrilateral superhighway, national highways, state highways, district roads, other roads, and border roads. Let's discuss one by one. First, Golden Quadrilateral Superhighways. It is a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, and Delhi by 6-lane superhighways. The north-south corridor linking Srinagar of Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari of Tamil Nadu and east-west corridor connect the Silchar of Assam to Porbandar of Gujarat. These are the part of this project. They are made to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. The main aim and objective of the construction of the Golden Quadrilateral and superhighway is the reduce the time and distance between the mega cities. Mega cities like Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. These highway projects are being implemented by the National Highway Authority of India. This is the map of a Golden Quadrilateral. Look at this, which connect the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and this is the map of the east-west and north-south corridor, which is the north-south corridor meaning northern side is Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir to southern side Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Similarly, east-west corridor meaning eastern side Silchar, Assam to western side Porbandar, Gujarat. Map of the Golden Quadrilateral, and it is the image of a 6-lane superhighways. National Highway. National highways link all major cities of a extreme part of the countries, meaning it connect the other cities like Bhopal, Pune, Surat, Bhubaneswar, Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So national highway link all major cities of a extreme part of the countries. These are the primary road system of India. These are maintained by the Central Public Work Department. Remember this point. The historical Shershah Suri Marg is called National Highway number 1, which is running between the Delhi and Amritsar. Some facts. Earlier, the National Highway 7 between Varanasi and Kanyakumari is the longest highway of India with the length of 2,316 km. Now it is extended, and now the National Highway number 44 is the longest highway of India with a length of 3,745 km, which is running between Srinagar to Kanyakumari and connects 11 states, and it is referred as the North-South Corridor. These are the image and map of the national highways. State highway. Road linking a state capital with different district headquarters. These roads are constructed and maintained by the State Public Work Department and state and union territory. Remember that the national highway are the maintained by the Central Public Work Department. Similarly, the state highway are maintained by the State Public Work Department, and the state highway are connected from the state capital to the district headquarters. District road. These roads connect the district headquarters with the other place of the district, and the authority is these roads are maintained by the Jilla Parishad. Other road. Rural road which link rural area and village with towns are classified under this category. Under the Pradhan Mantri Grama Sadak Yojana scheme, special provision are made so that every village in the country is linked to a major town in the country by an all-season motorable road. Border road. Border road organization is a government of India undertaking. The significance of the border road. This organization was established in 1960 for the development of the roads in the north and northeastern border area, which construct and maintain the road in the bordering area of the country. These roads have improved accessibility in area of difficult terrain. These roads have enabled the economy to develop in the border areas. So these are the 6 type of roads which are we classified on the basis of a capacity. Now classification of the road on the basis of a material used. Road can also be classified on the basis of the type of material used for their construction, such as metal and non-metal. Metal road may be made up of cement, concrete, or even bitumen or coal. These are all weather road. On metal road may be made up of material available in locality like mud, sand, and clay. Absent of a cement, concrete, these are go out of use in rainy season. Do you know some facts? Have you ever noticed that there are different color strips on milestone while traveling on the side of the road or on the highway? What do these milestones reflect? Why they have different color strip? These color codes denote yellow and white for national highway, green and white for state highway, blue and black for city and district road, orange and white for rural road like Pradhan Mantri Grama Sadak Yojana. Some general knowledge. Sri Nitin Jairam Gadkari is the present Central Cabinet Minister of Roads, Transport and Highways. Some important questions. What is the major objective to develop super highways? 1 mark. National highway are laid and maintained by dash 1 mark. Classify the roads on the basis of materials used for their construction 1 mark. Explain the significance of a border road 3 marks. Why is road transport more useful than rail transport in India? Give reasons. 5 marks. Answer of this question are I already discussed in this video lecture. Try to solve this. Thank you so much for watching this video.